Do another short one. I did one short video and counted down and got a big lightning right at the end. There we go. So I think today is August 12th, Wednesday. The day that gravity was supposed to reverse. Well, it didn't happen. I didn't smack into the ceiling this morning. However, there's been solar flares. 6 planets align. Whoa, that was pretty cool. 6 planets align today, and should be one of the coolest meteor showers, like starting right now. And even more so from an hour from now to like 5 a.m. And it's a dark moon, so there should be less refraction, less reflecting light in the sky. You should be able to see the meteor showers, but I don't know what this storm is. Ooh, grumbly. Okay. It's time to re-up. 10, 9, 8, 7. Ooh. Is that Godzilla over there? Kind of look like that. And 5, 4, 3. Oh, a little early. Kind of. Why is it like there? The lightning looks weird. It's not like coming down from the sky, and it's been like 4 next to each other, like wide. Too, but over that house there, the neighbor's house, it's kind of, yeah, been kind of weird over there. I don't know if I just got that. It's kind of hard to hold the camera. A couple